Watch this video to discover timeless trends that never go out of style. We're here in the Florida Keys, and if you're looking for some inspiration for your next build or for a property that you'd like to purchase, you've come to the right place for some incredible inspiration. Stay tuned to the end to see stunning pool architecture. What if I told you that this $21 million oceanfront estate in the Florida Keys is not just about its location, but about its timeless architecture? It's a living piece of Keys history, blending timeless architecture with elegant luxury. Stay with me as we explore not only the main house, but the guest house and the exterior to this stunning property.
Hi, I'm Lisa, and welcome to 9300 Overseas Highway in the heart of the Florida Keys, Marathon, Florida.
At first glance, the intricate corbels and charming gingerbread accents, reminiscent of a grand dollhouse, beckon you closer. Each design detail captures the Victorian influences that have found their way to the Florida Keys, yet the vibrant tropical colors breathe fresh life into this classic style. Wide, breezy verandas wrap around the home, inviting you to embrace the outdoor lifestyle, a hallmark of Keys architecture. These sweeping breezeways, shaded and serene, offer a glimpse into the leisurely rhythms of island living. Expansive porches and breezy verandas wrap around the estate, offering tranquil retreats just outside the guest rooms. These spaces are perfect for enjoying morning coffee or evening sunsets, each veranda designed to capture the refreshing ocean breezes while providing panoramic views of the lush landscape. The balconies, lined with elegant railings, offer private outdoor escapes where you can fully immerse yourself in the peaceful surroundings. Whether you're on the main level or upstairs, these inviting spaces are an extension of the home's architectural charm, encouraging relaxation in true island style. Design Source, known for their expertise in creating luxurious, bespoke homes, meticulously crafted this extraordinary estate to embody timeless Caribbean elegance. As we approach the front entrance, you're immediately greeted by the warm glow of gas lanterns, casting a soft, inviting light along the covered front porch. These timeless lanterns create a sense of arrival, welcoming you into the heart of this Caribbean-inspired estate. The covered porch with its breezy elegance invites you to pause, take in the surroundings, and feel the island serenity before stepping inside to discover more. Come right on in. As you step inside, the timeless elegance of West Indies and Victorian charm unfolds before you. The rich wooden details and vintage accents immediately capture attention, offering a sense of warmth and comfort that guests often compliment. This home exudes a cozy sophistication, seamlessly blending historical design with modern luxury. Each room tells a story, from the beautifully appointed bedrooms with intricate woodwork and high ceilings, to the luxurious bathrooms that feel like private retreats, featuring clawfoot tubs and elegant finishes. The architectural details flow into every corner, including the stunning movie theater, an unexpected gem with plush seating, classic style, and the perfect ambiance for intimate gatherings or grand entertainment. Behind the beauty of the design lies a home built with strength, crafted entirely of concrete, designed to weather time and tides, providing peace of mind as well as enduring style. This home isn't just a space to live in, it's a place that embraces you, wrapping you in a sanctuary of timeless design and everyday comfort. Every detail, every corner is a blend of beauty and warmth, offering not just a home, but a lifestyle. Here, the past meets the present in perfect harmony, inviting you to experience life in the Florida Keys in its truest, most luxurious form. Take a stroll with me along the lush fruit orchard as we make our way to the guest house, which shows its Caribbean charm with Bahama shutters and beautiful colors, wide porches with porch swings and pineapples carved into the railing. As we continue our journey through this extraordinary estate, let's take a walk along the fruit orchard where nature meets elegance. Just down the driveway from the main home, the guest house awaits, a charming retreat that echoes the Caribbean flair of the estate. The guest house, with its peaceful pink tropical hue, is a charming complement to the entire estate, blending effortlessly with the architectural style of the main home and other structures on the property. Its soft pastel color is both inviting and serene, a nod to classic Caribbean charm that ties the whole property together in perfect harmony. Architectural details such as the wide porch, Bahama shutters, and intricate pineapples carved into the railing reflect the same thoughtful design found throughout the estate. I'm sitting here in the living room right now looking out on the wide open Atlantic Ocean, and there's nothing like it. It's just so stunning to be here at this property. Anyone that comes says that it is even more exquisite than pictures or video can even show. So if this is something that has intrigued you as you've watched these videos, I would love to set up your private showing of this exquisite estate. What are some architectural trends for 2025? Timeless elegance meets classic Caribbean design at 9300 Overseas Highway. Discover timeless designs that never go out of style. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love it if you would hit subscribe to this channel, and you'll get all the updates and new videos that are coming your way showcasing beautiful Florida Keys properties. Have a lovely day, and I hope whatever you're doing that your view is beautiful and that you are appreciating the day that you've been given, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Great architecture is not just about buildings. It's about creating spaces that inspire, endure, and tell a story for generations to come. I think you can realize that that is what has been cultivated here on this property, and it's stunning. For our grand finale, the architecture of the pool. The estate's outdoor space is anchored by a captivating tiki village, where the swim-up bar invites you to enjoy poolside drinks while taking in the tropical surroundings. Just steps away, you'll find guest rooms that open directly onto the pool area, offering seamless access to this stunning aquatic retreat. The fusion of relaxation and entertainment is heightened with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, perfect for hosting gatherings under the stars. The pool's natural beauty is enhanced by a magnificent grotto, where waterfalls spill gently over rock formations, creating a tranquil escape. Nearby, a thrilling waterslide twists down from the lush landscape, adding a playful touch to the experience. The expansive spa, positioned to overlook the ocean, offers breathtaking views and the ultimate spot for unwinding after a day on the water. As evening falls, the magic continues with dramatic lighting that illuminates the entire pool area, from the tiki village to the waterfalls, transforming the space into a glowing tropical paradise under the night sky. The shimmering lights cast reflections over the water, creating an unforgettable, dreamlike ambiance. The grotto, with its natural stone formations and cascading waterfalls, creates a serene retreat. Thank you for coming on this tour today, for seeing the beautiful architecture that this home has. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss a single video. What color would you choose to illuminate your pool under the full moon sky? Thank you for taking this tour with us. I hope that you've enjoyed the architectural design you see at this incredible home. The architectural trends coming in 2025. We're looking for timeless, we're looking for elegance, and that is what you find here.
I really enjoyed the house. I love that they didn't miss a single detail, down to the door hinges and the light fixtures, and I just love it. That they just tried to capture the era that they were going for, and it was perfect.